Now, brothers and sisters, I came to my whole-souled conviction that the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints is a true restoration of the New Testament church and more, because I could not deny the evidence of that restoration. I'm delighted now to join my friend huddled on the streets of Jerusalem, where with my diminished voice, and for that I apologize, nevertheless, I sing Amazing Grace. How sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now am found. Was blind,